Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can map artwork on Adobe Illustrator on like a 3D object. So I'm just going to add this to symbol real quick just cause you don't need to do this, but select your object, go to effect, and instead of going to the usual 3D materials, select 3D classic instead. Select the one you want. I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to just this a little bit, maybe making like that maybe. And I'm going to then select map artwork. It's just going to be there. You just need to select the classic one. Select what artwork you want to map, and then select OK, and then select OK. And that is pretty much how you can map artwork on Adobe Illustrator. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.